Which of these is usually eaten before the main course? Is it A, special, B, appetizer, C, dessert, or D, fork?
Welcome to Lingo Ladder. Let's start our tasty journey into the world of food and restaurants. This video is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, new words. Part 2, quiz. And Part 3, conversation. Let's get started. Part 1, new words.
1. Menu. It's a list of food and drinks offered at a restaurant. 2. Waiter. A man who serves food and drinks to customers. 3. Bill. This is the total amount of money you pay for your meal. 4. Reservation. When you book a table in advance. 5. Dish. A specific type of prepared food. 6. Appetizer. A small dish served before the main course. 7. Main course. The main or central part of your meal. 8. Dessert. A sweet treat at the end of a meal. 9. Customer. Someone who comes to buy food or service. 10. Order. To ask for food or drinks in a restaurant. 11. Table for 2. A common phrase to ask for a table for 2 people. 12. Tip. Extra money given to thank the waiter for good service. 13. Delicious. When something tastes really good. 14. Spicy. Food with a strong and hot flavor. 15. Salty. Tasting like salt. 16. Sweet. Tasting like sugar or containing sugar. 17. Vegetarian. A person who does not eat meat. 18. Allergic. Having a bad physical reaction to certain foods. 19. Rare. Meat that is cooked very little, still red inside. 20. Medium. Meat that is partly cooked, pink in the middle. 21. Well done. Meat that is fully cooked with no pink inside. 22. Fork. A utensil used to pick up and eat food. 23. Knife. A sharp tool for cutting food. 24. Napkin. A cloth or paper used to clean your mouth or hands. 25. Host. The person who welcomes guests at a restaurant. 26. Serve. To bring food or drinks to someone. 27. Book a table. To make a reservation. 28. Tablecloth. A cloth that covers the table. 29. Soup. A hot liquid dish, often served as a starter. 30. Specials. Dishes that are not on the regular menu.
Awesome job! Before we jump into the quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's go!
1. You want to see what food is available. What should you ask for?
Correct answer is menu.
2. What do you give to a waiter to show appreciation for good service?
Correct answer is tip.
3. A customer says, "I'd like a table for 2, please." What are they doing?
Correct answer is making a reservation.
4. You want something sweet after your meal. What do you ask for?
Correct answer is dessert.
5. Which of these is usually eaten before the main course?
Correct answer is appetizer.
6. You don't eat meat. What are you?
Correct answer is vegetarian.
7. Your steak is pink in the middle. How is it cooked?
Correct answer is medium.
8. What do you use to eat soup?
Correct answer is spoon.
9. What is the person called who brings your food at a restaurant?
Correct answer is waiter.
10. What do you do when you want to eat at a restaurant tomorrow?
Correct answer is book a table.
11. You ask for the bill. What are you asking for?
Correct answer is total amount to pay.
12. You're allergic to peanuts. What should you do?
Correct answer is ask the waiter.
13. Which one is the main part of the meal?
Correct answer is main course.
14. What is a common word for a person who buys food at a restaurant?
Correct answer is customer.
15. You taste something hot and it burns your mouth. How do you describe it?
Correct answer is spicy.
16. You want to clean your hands at the table. What do you use?
Correct answer is napkin.
17. Which one is not an eating utensil?
Correct answer is napkin.
18. What is usually placed over the table to make it look nice?
Correct answer is tablecloth.
19. The restaurant is full. What do you need to do next time?
Correct answer is book a table.
20. How would you describe a cake?
Correct answer is sweet.
21. You are welcomed at the door of the restaurant. Who greeted you?
Correct answer is host.
22. You want to eat a hot liquid food. What will you order?
correct answer is soup.
23. The waiter says, "Today's special is grilled salmon." What is he talking about?
Correct answer is a temporary offer.
24. You want to eat your meat completely cooked. What will you ask for?
Correct answer is well done.
25. The waiter brings your food. What did he do?
Correct answer is serve.
26. You are asked to place your order. What should you do?
Correct answer is choose your food.
27. You see a list of dishes and prices. What is it?
Correct answer is menu.
28. You ask for water and the waiter brings it. What did the waiter do?
Correct answer is serve.
29. You don't want spicy food. What should you say?
Correct answer is please make it not spicy.
30. You finish eating and now you want to pay. What do you ask for?
Correct answer is bill. You've done an amazing job so far. Now let's move on to part 3, the conversation. We'll use the words we learned in a fun dialogue. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
Good evening. Welcome to Olive Garden. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under the name Sarah. A table for 2, please.
Perfect. Right this way. Here's your table with a clean tablecloth. Your waiter will be with you shortly.
Good evening. My name is Alex and I'll be your waiter tonight. Would you like to start with something to drink?
Sure, I'll have a glass of sparkling water. And could we see the menu, please?
Of course, here you go. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thanks. I think we're ready to order. For the appetizer, we'd like the garlic bread.
Excellent choice. What would you like as your main course?
I'll have the grilled salmon, cooked medium. Not too rare, please.
Got it. And for your guest?
She'll have the vegetarian pasta. And we'd also like a bowl of mushroom soup to share.
Wonderful. Any dessert today?
Yes, we'd like the chocolate lava cake. We heard it's sweet and delicious.
It definitely is. And just to check, do you or your guest have any allergies?
Yes, she's allergic to peanuts. Please let the chef know.
Absolutely. I'll inform the kitchen. Anything else?
What are today's specials?
We have a spicy shrimp dish and a new salty caramel cheesecake.
We'll stick with what we ordered, but thanks for the suggestion.
Noted. I'll be right back with your drinks and napkins. Here are your dishes. This is the salmon, and here's the pasta. Let me get you a fork and a knife.
Thank you. Everything looks amazing.
How was everything?
Wonderful. The food was delicious, and your service was great.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like the bill now?
Yes, please. And here's a tip for the excellent service.
Thank you very much. I hope we'll see you again soon.
We'll definitely be back. Have a great evening. Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon.